Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this lesson we're going to look at steps to use the Rufus tool to create a USB bootable media to install Windows 11 version 24H2 on unsupported hardware. If you have a computer running Windows 10 or another version of the operating system that doesn't meet the requirements to upgrade to Windows 11 version 24H2, you can use the Rufus tool to build a custom installation media that bypasses most of the hardware requirements, including the minimum memory requirements, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. The tool also allows you to disable and bypass the internal requirements to set up a Windows 11 installation without a Microsoft account. Furthermore, starting with version 24H2, the setup enables BitLocker automatically during installation. And if this is something that you don't want, Rufus also includes an option to prevent the system from enabling this feature automatically. However, your computer will still need at least a TPM version 1.2, and the processor also have to have the population count instruction, also known as the popcnt. Otherwise, the computer will not boot properly if the feature is missing at the time that you upgrade to version 24H2. Okay, let's dive into the steps to create a Windows 11 version 24H2 USB installer for unsupported hardware. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. So first, open the web browser and go to this website and scroll down to the download page to get the latest version of the Rufus tool. So just click to download the file and save it on your computer. I already have it, so I'm going to replace it. Then open the folder where you have downloaded the file and then just right click on it and select the Run as Administrator option. Now you can close your applications. And at this time, you need to connect a USB flash drive of at least 8 GB of storage, and all the data on that drive is going to be deleted. So if you have anything important, it's best to transfer it to another location. Now, if you already have an ISO image for Windows 11 version 24H2, you can click the select button and select it from the location. You can also check the video description because I also include a link to the video on how to download the ISO file for this new version of Windows directly from the Microsoft servers. Now, if you're using the Rufus tool, you can also click this button right here and then select the download option. This will allow you to use the script that the application offers to download the image from the Microsoft servers. Now, if you don't see this option, you have to click right here and make sure to select the daily option for check for updates and then restore the application. And then you will be able to access the download settings. Now click the download button. And from here, we're going to select Windows 11 and then click on continue. Now select the release of Windows, in this case 24H2. And at the time of this video, you can still download version 23H2. So here's a tip. If in the future you want to install an older version of the operating system, it is best to download it now, because eventually Microsoft is going to block this version and the only release that you will be able to download will be 24H2. So in here, select the latest version of Windows 11 and then click continue. For addition, just use the Home, Pro, and Education and then click continue. Select your installation language and click continue. Windows 11 only offers the 64-bit version, so this is the only option available, and then click the download button. Now, select the location where you want to save the file and click the Save button. Now, after the download completes, you're going to use all the default settings. Just make sure to select the USB media that you want to use to create the Windows 11 installer and then click the Start button. Now, here is where you are going to customize the installation. For example, if you check this option, this will remove the requirements for memory, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. If you want to skip the creation of a Microsoft account, you can check this option. You can take this one step further. If you want the installation media to create a local account automatically, you want to specify the name of the account and check the option. Probably you're not going to use these settings. However, starting with version 24H2, the operating system will enable BitLocker automatically. Now, that is a good thing. However, if you're not comfortable or if you have a dual boot system and BitLocker is not for you, you can check this option right here and during the installation process, device encryption will not be enabled on your computer. Now, if you want to create just a regular Windows 11 USB bootable media, you can always clear all these options and click the OK button. So this video is to create a bootable media for unsupported hardware. So we are going to check this option, and it is up to you to choose the other options as well. And then just click the OK button. When you create a bootable media for unsupported hardware using the Rufus tool, it doesn't mean that you can use it to perform an in-place upgrade, meaning that if you connect this USB drive to a computer and from the desktop environment, you try to launch the Windows installation setup, that is not going to work. This bootable media works when you're performing a clean installation. That means turning off the computer and booting the system with the USB media, and through that process, you will be able to install version 24H2 on unsupported hardware. So keep that in mind. And that's it. Now you have created a USB bootable media to install Windows 11 version 24H2 on unsupported hardware. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.